Bankatile ka re ke nna ngwana o monnyane sha. Bana ba bana ba nkata ke tsamaya ke ko kae. O ya kwa o ile ko mang, o ya kwa o ile ko mang. Se magala ke docha ne. Nana a butisana mapila. Nana o jetsu ya monneng wena, o jetsu ya monne. Ba se ka batho ba na le banna. Ba bisi ba ngata. Ba na le banna batho ba. Tla ke le balleng, ne o na le monna ke re. A o sa kona le banna ba 2. E o sia ke thulane, banna ba 2. Le banna le batho bana ba tlileng ba ba nrola marola ba nkgatlametsa ba ira ba nkgamela ba nkisa go sepetlele kwa o na le monna mara ba ngatile. Why mara ke kire ba ngatile so ke nyakile ba nyaketse segupu ba nro ba tsale segupu ko ke tlo bolela se seprise e tlo se bolela before ke letsa ba nyaketse segupu bana ba mosadi lo ba re ke refile a tsama le monolo wa koloi o la ba nyaketse segupu ka re bana le segupu ko Limpopo Giyane a ke re a fetsa re bana go Giyane ka tla ka fetsa beke ke le go Giyane go before ke re ba tsile segupu e tlo ba sa tsa tsotlhe nna nya go sentsha ditaba nna ke tlo dintsha ditaba nna bla ke botlhoko thuma se ke le tropo ilo reka so ka reka se sebete ke a ke bua mo ke go ntsha taba go radio so re file le monno owe ba robe ba mfile segupu gore ke roba le segupu go Giyane kwa so a ke bua ke magala ntho ya ka a shifa before ke la ke le segupu gatla hape a ke re before ke trola segupu na ba tsaba go bolela le na monno ke mosadi ba re ke ngwanyono ba nna Rustenburg owe motlolo ka hlo ya ntsampa phone a re bolela le ena mosadi wa go Rustenburg bole le ena o nyaketse yena motho a so motho o tlotla so tlotla go Giyane se di Giyane a re no na le loso go Giyane kwa o na le leso a se khona otla ba amfounela ke le go tsileng a fetsa mfounela go le go tsileng ena mosadi o wa go Rustenburg a tla mfounela ke le go tsileng ka tla ai a ke fetsa otla ntho ka ne le sharp a ke fetsa mo ke ntse ke re bolela na ngwana go Rustenburg re bolela na go Rustenburg a re tsore ke ngwana go Rustenburg gore ke segubu wa go ba ditse mo pele lo go tla botlhoko mo pele ntho ka e botlhoko ke rota bima ene e phela e tlhotlhonya ka engwaya
a ke ba tlogele ba le ba nteletse bona ba le ke duletse mo sithing ya morago ke ba lebeletše ka ba ka deactivate account again ke ba lebeletše ka deactivate account ke be gore ke no ba checka ka di account e ntsho which is this one ka dulela mo morago. Yes, this is my new account. Le ge ba ka tabata ba temporary account ke tlo dia ye nngwe a ke re nna le ntse ba ke re ke tlo no ntopa mo moye go ra wo ko la wa rena e sa tonyo ba nana re khomotse polokwane le Limpopo a se go khomole ke to ba bontšha re ja ke strat mate
yalo o ka lebella ni yalo o bethile ke nako lebella nako e ya re
e bua shalela ma
wena ro gadile a ke ro gadile ka taba ya o rile under the bushu a se ro gale ka taba ya o rile under the bushu wena o ngwana rile 80
awe bile 80 ke ntši a rile 70
a rile 70 a rile 70
o na le traffic godimo a rile 60
a bone ditutwane tša rena di a fofa godimo ta di thula wena a re tsene tabe ke lentena kudu ke nya go bolela go ra bila ke nya go bolela ka mogoketene leng ka one le ntwa le palla ke ngwana makhi ya ne lo o ile di university wa sa sanka go di rese kwa ile o posta di video go di Facebook a le ka mo di rese ya le ka mo classeng ba mo ruta
e bile ke mmone mama
why one
awa ke wa pala man a bonala wa timelela mo tsela
thapelo kudu ngwana hola ba
a ke
o ska mpotsa ka thapelo ke ta o ramola lo wa ntwa ke ta o ra o thoma nne re palla ke thapelo ke ta o hwipha molalo wa ntwa yo le mamothare ya molata re a molata re ka sepalle ke ngwana wa ntwa wena o fitha kwa o mata molalo
ke matsa molao
ka
ka se ateletse
okay
wa ntwa
ke taba ke tshwere poto
o tshwere poto re na re ta mohata go maotong re mohata so wa ntwa
a re moateng
just fela wena
a re moateng
ntopa mo moye go ra wo ko la wa rena e sa tonyo ba nana re khomotse polokwane le Limpopo a se go khomole ke to ba bontšha re ja ke strat mate yes ke yone ya batho ba go tsoga go sešo imetšha le kekela ya ola wa dentale ya funeral yes aowa lena ke do le prepare gore ke stay.
Hello, Mzanyi, it's a gossip girl. Tsekeleke no longer has a manager. Everyone around him, everyone in his circle, abasaitsena ya Tsekeleke. So yesterday, Kenny Z went to seek a refund of 1,000 rand. When he got there, he found Neo and Tsekeleke's sister. I don't know about Lydia Marashema. So when Kenny Z got there, Uhumani Neo, and then Neo told Kenny Z where to get off at 1,000 rand maru. So Kenny Z then went to police station to open a case against Tsekeleke. So I don't know any update in regards to Tabaya Tsekeleke le Kenny Z or Itlakai. Ne? So what I saw on social media last night and today early in the morning, because wow, today it was a long day, Msansi. It was a long day, because of Tabajabo Tsekeleke. So I saw Skitere and Marombo, Bom Jimaro. Kenny Z never went live. Bom Jimaro, they were trying to talk about Ekia, Yatsekeleke 1,000 rand. So Skitere volunteered to help pay off the 1,000 rand. And at some point, he changed his mind. He wanted the public to donate some money so that they can help Tsekeleke to pay back the 1,000 rand. So the way 1,000 rand, it happened like this. So they booked Tsekeleke, they paid deposit 1,000 rand, and then that's when family ya Tsekeleke bo refile le bo mamang ba mo tjaka kgang la go plela batla ba mo tjaka koloi ba mo tjaka kgang ba mo isha Giyani. And then now the promoters ba nyaka tšhelete from Kenny Z or kai go ilata ga tholo because tšhelete refile Tsekeleke gore yena ba mo file di 200 rand tje 5, which is 1,000 rand, mara yena or ba mo file 500 rand. You see this drama that I just explained to you, that I tried to summarize, ke ntwe ilushitjeng Tsekeleke le Neo maabane boshego. So Neo le Tsekeleke abasanishana metsi ba lwile to a point where Neo deactivated account ya Tsekeleke, the official one, Tsekeleke official. Fortunate enough, because 2 weeks ago when Tsekeleke got discharged from hospital, he got 17,000 rand, bought the phone cash. I get a regular iPhone or regular Samsung, I don't know, but he went to buy a 15,000 rand phone cash. And then I think now he can navigate social media because he does videos and then he posts content by himself without Black Cat Girl. So we can say, well, no one is managing his social media. You know, a management team. So he opened his TikTok account yesterday in the evening after Hasnofejawala Neo. It's called Mixon Tolo. Ne? So he is out here spilling some tea, like some serious tea. Saying one last thing. So Tsekeleke is booked to perform the 6th September 2025. They paid the deposit. The money was received by Neo. Or now for Tsekeleke chelete. So Tsekeleke or yena aka si gigi Neo ke ena tla yang perform because o magana ka chelete deposit. So which means gore batho ba ga tholo ba berekisha Mixon as a scapegoat. Mixon ke na sentšheng a go ba berekela. Abanye ke Black Cat manager Tsekeleke. Abanye ke Dr. Malinga manager Tsekeleke. Abanye ke Skitera manager Tsekeleke. Abanye ke bo Kenny Z le bo Mjimaro. Kore everyone that comes mo bophelong ba Tsekeleke are okay. Motho ke ra monora aka se kgone titirela. E re tla mo thusha with our limited, knowledge. Ga thola ba dirang.
Di 6 le bookeng guys. Tšhelete ya ka ba e tshwere deposit. A ke ba file yana deposit leo a e kikeng. Nna ke tla kela dikiki tsaka.
So, Tsekeleke le Shigupu khale ba di bolaya under the carpet. It started when Tsekeleke na le ko some center ko Giyani na kwe ba ilo maala fish. I remember even Shigupu posting some videos a re bontsha a ina le Tsekeleke ibile a nemetše karikana re no Tsekeleke is okay, this and that. I was like, okay, since he's close with the Tulos, but at that point I didn't read too much into it. So now Tsekeleke is back saying what ibile the video that we saw aina le Shigupu mo mpeteng, it's the second time ile ba le ka go bubutlana a sa le ko Giyani, and then the second time ke gona bele ba le mo ba bopane. So there's something that Shigupu le Yellow Bone ba di boletseng ne bare Tsekeleke has a condition down there. But only UTI, not STI. Now I don't know the term UTI era gore. So both of them, they are saying tsekeleke anyobege. They fail to understand gore Black Cat Girl yena o ba di bereka byang. And I remember Black Cat Girl, if not living ya Black Cat Girl on TikTok, o ka re ke mo TV recently mo Lose It or Lose Me. Ne Black Cat Girl a bolela gore yena le tsekeleke ge ba bubutlana position e ba e berekisang ke a skero. So a ke tsore ke mang a ripang o mongwe gona mo ko ra ke tsore ba di bereka byang. And then another position, because Black Cat Girl na complain gore yena ke ena dirang all the work, tsekeleke yena o no kana mabjalo ka gogo. Black Cat a bolela gore yena she's the one that is doing woman on top. So byang mzanzi, because a itsoge gape a bereki. So kintapute. So which means gore Black Cat Girl has been lying, because Shigubu went live on TikTok a bolela conditioner tsekeleke. Lelo le yena she went live on TikTok a bolela ka conditioner tsekeleke a mola a go berekege all together, like a go kgonege bona le kolo ebile I start like bona ke ntapute. So Black Cat Girl yena o ba dira nako ka moka dikero tša di bolela le di women on top o ba dira o ba ifa ngwana batho in between or ke in between, yeah. So guys, I think ke shitaba tša botsekeleke ke zaba ka matla ka moka gore ke di summarize, because it's not on one account ke kwa tlhoga ka ya duma ne. So after breakup ya Black Cat Girl le tsekeleke, I forgot to mention this, the time tsekeleke ba mo tšere family ka gang ba ile go mala fish, o wile a tlhala Black Cat Girl ba ga tholo ba nyakela tsekeleke girlfriend o ba mitšang Lelo. So ba re ke Lelo Bone, a ke tsore ba mitša Lelo Bone mar ke le Yellow Bone ne. So that is the girlfriend o be ke bolelang ka yena ke re yena le Shigubu ba re he tsekeleke a dintshi ka mola, yeah, ka mola mafuri. So yeah, I hope I summarized it well, because kuningi that is just going to unfold. I'm just trying to give context for people that did not watch the previous video.
Ka Monday furu a go ba malume na Segubu ke ntsha taba. Monday furu a go ba malume. So Segubu a re monna re ke tlhobola wa ke tlhobola ke nne bjana go mpeto re bubutlana a khanda mbubutlisi a nsuni ana Segubu o bona yena a tlhobolo se se ka diaparo so na ke tlhobo se ka burko bukutswa ya bere hanyane burukhunya ke botlhobo se bile hanyane so a fetsa mo Segubu o tshwara nthwela ya ka ela o tlala ka no ira so o tlala ka ke so e bolela ke se batlo re block mo TikTok so e bolela ntho so o biso tlala ka nthwela tlala ka nthwela galla ka utlwa re ke utlwa botlhoko mona nthonga ke utlwa botlhoko a bisa go ka mo manala a ilanga a tlhaban thwela yaka a tlhaban thwela ka. So gare Segubu tlala ka nna wa tlala ka nna so Segubu gare ere ke no mokoba a no tsama ka ra tshwana o tletse for mahala ke ntse 250 ya tlamo koloi ya tlisa na yena ya tlisa ya Segubu ka 250 ba re ke huba ka 250 kare ka the sola wa ke 250 ke tlise motho mo ka sola wa ke motlisa ke tlise motho for mahala a mbubutisa sonta a nkisa lontisa. So na guys ke no go tloela
le kae
Rete.
kopolo bolela something tse dintši ka di bona tsa gore ba trendisa whatever, that's not important ebile I have sense of humor over it. Tsekeleke is going through something e leng gore le nna ke palela go itlhalosetsa lefatshe, but I can only describe it he ke bolela gore e ntshwarisitse tribophobia. Yes, Tsekeleke, there's something e leng gore ya mo tshwenya go pele, and Tsekeleke there's no way a ka kry-ang STI because Tsekeleke cannot sleep with a woman. Even Black Cat never slept with Tsekeleke. Tsekeleke cannot. Not even a single woman mo phelong ba hae ba ka lefora. And Tsekeleke there's no way a ka kry-ang STI. It's UTI. It's urinary tract. He's diabetic, and if it go stage se se leng gore se dangerous. So wherever mo mmeleng wa hae mo leng gore go kry-a too much heat, sense go phele go le clean, because if not it's going to be worse than what I saw. So tsa di content ke a di bona tsa gore ba ka no trenda ba nyoko trenda ka shigupu gore what. It's okay. I understand what they're doing. But I don't care. What I care gore nna se ke se boneng a sa bona ke motho. Not even Black Cat o wantseng le ena sebaka. Ha ibona, ibone ke nna fela. And I'm traumatized and I don't know what ke reng. It's serious, guys. Believe me when I say everybody at this moment should step back. Because something's gonna happen.
That's what I said.
Something is going to happen, and it's only me. Imagine do you get it? Modimo will make you guys understand the last hour. It's no longer about content, guys. Consume or anything you eat. Staging a perfume for the hours. Skin size change. Everybody is seeing into a point that you say, how about some who born? And you know, there's the reason why Tekeleke is acting the way he's acting now. It's because there's a third party. Tekeleke is being controlled. Since bulela soliso mama. You must understand Tekeleke because they're la morata. And I'm saying from the bottom of my heart and because I cannot because I choose to respect Tekeleke. I choose to respect her. Family high.
Yeah.
2 minutes. Like Tekeleke was okay with the family. But later Mabani was fighting with the family. And how not because there's a third party. Business on the side.
Yes.
And then focus full focus lead what's a business attend anything so at the same time I'm losing myself on the way. It's emotionally
I remember when you said that.
Modi TikTok wa bua o busy ntare he mosadi o long laditse he what ke lotsa yang motho because kwa a go kgonagale ke mo lotsa yang guys ke mo lotsa yang
o emanya no kwa o khona eng a go utlwipila ka o tshwara mo
no ke Mission Impossible kwa I can't go into details.
Oh okay no go tshwara
and nthoyo e khosa keng. Yes, nthoyo e khosa keng ke health ya gage. Hence I'm saying gore Tekeleke ha tloke like mosadi no cause if mosadi o tlo tsena no yana anyway ha ke itse ke rona ha re tshwane o tlo sense a batla ko ntle. I don't know if you understand me because le nna ke bone le gore ke feletse ke tswa mo Tekeleke ne ke bona gore the more I stay here ke the more long gore ke tlo break Tekeleke emotionally because o tla maybe I experience ntho e leng gore we kry-ile ko relationship ya ge ya pele because of ha khone go provide a certain thing.
Yes. I remember the time ibile nore wena you loved him so much. You loved him so much such that you were willing to share him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because nere ga re le tune o tlalla Tekeleke nere ga re robetse re le tune tsena mo TikTok like a rato sheba dio tsa Black Cat so ntho le na yang heta wa bona ke lo nagana o ntse le motho o busy o shebeletse ex ya so because of nna ke batla Tekeleke a nne happy nne ke batla gore a nne happy senke ge ke mmolela ke mara na how if o batla go boela ko na I don't mind being a second wife a ke re le ena o na le not wife girlfriend a ke re le ena o na le boyfriend and then a kila bolela ntho ya gore o nyakela tseki second girlfriend so now I didn't mind at all because go bua nnete fela Tekeleke he's so handful gore wa bereka ha ona le Tekeleke 24 hours. I remember this one day before at like meetile the following day mabana wa teng bosigo ba teng ne ba na le nnete le Tekeleke o tla tlo bua a tlo bolela mo TikTok Tekele ha ka robala ke gatane le ene bosigo wa tlhaloganya di dijo di phala then mo gare ga bosigo tlebe ke tsoga ke mo jesa bo yogatenyana gore malane something
Yeah.
ha kutla a shiftanyana tlebe ke tsoga ko mo tsela bo di-fruitsinyana gore ke morare ja ya di-fruitsinyana because he wasn't well. Wa bona?
Yes.
And then lona letsatsi the following day ra misa ko clinic yone ya mo transferela ko sepetlele ona ntho ya gore tseki na o ile re tsamile le tsekile ke a bawa ba re ma
ene e phela e tlhotlhonya ka engwaya
yes cause ne ke tlile a ke re batho ba etela tseki on a daily basis so next batho ke ra bana maybe ke feditse o tlhapa maitsiboa ne ke tlile ka borugo ke lebetse thopa ya pejama so ne ke apara thopa ya baby wa bona so ke hele e le tonanyana
Uno para topa ya tseki.
a ke ne ke sa tla ka thopa ya pejama for go robala not for go ntse and mostly batho ne ba rata mo tšhakelela wa ditlhako ne ke tlile ka di-slippers tsaka
Awa ke rela fela ke re wa itse basadi le bjang jo le rato apara dikhipa tsa banna ba le bona
sala ka ke a di rwala le ditlhako tsa hae mara di-slippers tsaka ne ke tlile ka tsone wa khanti wena Tyson
ke botsisa fela sa wara mana ke a go beshi ke botsisa like o bontsha gore ke tlo monna hao awa ke monna hao endo te dine le tsa monna hao a ona phoso mojo ke botsisa fela gore no wa dilo tsa monna hao ke okay sharp ne ke re wa bona o tlo ira ke lebale gore okay now let's go back to the pajama yes
pajama and then di pajama be ke kopa baby ke moraro gore wa bona gore batho ba go etela ka maybe maitsiwa ke feditse o tlhapa bankera ka pere o yesa ka pere thopa tsekele ke mo sesenyana mone wa bona
yeah
a ba sende le stress ba re okay my love ka o sana tebe ke tsama le motlogolo neo be ke tsama le neo re di pajama tse they were barely 200 or nearly 200 straight that's it
so 1,000 randa this is where it comes from here this is where 1,000 rand comes from hore ne ke clarify nna clarification a teng ashi ene o itse gore a e tlhae ko bathong a ba bolele maka ke nne wa e boletseng mamoroto ke na e boletseng this thing a botsa nna o boditse nna a ka botsiwa ke batho a se batho ba mboditseng this thing o boditse nna a re o withdrawile 1,000 randa a ile o rekela di-pajama wena ke ntho a boletseng let me just hang up this call I'm coming sharp ke receivile call ka decline it's fine ke re yena le yona eo a ke itse re tla bola ko yona taba call o boditse nna o withdrawile 1,000 randa a ile o rekela di-pajama a withdrawa 1,000 randa a ile o kera meriri ya malume nako ke nya go tlhaloganya gore balance ya tsekele ke kgane ya TikTok wa e ya go tlase thata so nako tsekele ke ne le first week tsekele ka le mo TikTok then tsekele ke na irile more than 15,000 I remember tsekele ke na irile more than 15,000 on the first week ya high mo TikTok now nako e alwa le bo shady nako ala le bo shady ba nya go tlhaloganya gore ha e tšhelete baneng ya fokotsena re ke report tse di transparent from neo so yena a tla mo nampotsa ra wa re go tlhalosetse gore re tseng ke withdraw 1,000 randa e tlhaga kwa ka withdraw 1,000 randa engwe gore maloma lo ke ra meriri ka withdraw 1,000 randa engwe for the grocery so yona o boletse ya pajama gore 1,000 randa a ke utlwa ka batho yo e bolela ke nna from molomo wa hae a se ba ke needs a caretaker needs a caregiver it means tsekele is dependent it means tsekele u dependent a ke so lebiala you can try to monitor taba beala you can't always try to buy alcohol for tsekeleke knowing very much well gore wa lwala you can't
tsekeleke kene o tlo go bolela gore tsekeleke o na le o na batla tšhelete mo purse-eng and most of the time no kra gore maybe motlogolo ga yo go tlase malumo teng na roma malume wa tlhalo kene itekelang ka like a tšhelete a ge so gore wa bona and ke o handphone tsekeleke do tswa yo wa romana o phela a o tlo go bolela gore motho o need a caretaker because I don't think to be honest Black Cat o khotleletse sebaka o khotleletse sebaka and now when ne ga re wa bana tsekeleke ke le fa 3 weeks le ka mmusa ntho ke e bone eo vele ka re ona ke ha ke bua maybe le mo pelong ka re Black Cat na sa bui maka tsekeleke o ya re handful gore matsetse nna ke a tsamile ke ile ko ene ke file o ka re ke ile jara yo na hana fela in a short period of time
we rapile tsekeleke a le re so a ke re o nya go bona vele la marata o nya go bona
como o bolela pitse ga nna ke simolelene ke start o jolela na ke re mo TikTok na ba bolela ya mosadi o wa ka no one tlhapisa o irang just because of tsamile na go na le go sepetlele I'm a bad person now and I sampotse gore di emotions ka nna nka se tlholentse ke tlile mo di TikTok ke tlo addressana le tsekeleke I mean e tlebe go ka re le nna tlhaloganya ke tshwana la tseki
Mara also I expect to work
Yes.
also yes.
That's why I say entertain too much.
Yes.
Kana motho wa itwalla le ena ha sharp. So go tla ga ka mo
Yes.
ke tlo irang.
Yes.
Ke tlo
Eric,
ke a waste of time.
Yeah. Kaud. It's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. Utlwella him. I just want us to conclude it because you literally spoke everything. I just want us to conclude it now because let's say everything. There was one point, there's only one point. Ish. I'm receiving a call. Oh, good. Now that our ashi ke hopot. Tabaya call. With regards to the call, mabane utlile mo life yaka.
Oh, ya ke re go boditse, but anyway, a gona motho itseng gore nna ke ka ene what's happening. Ke receive di private number tse 2.
Utlile wena mo life yaka mabane ba reng mo wena.
If I ke follow ke tlo swa ba itse ko ke leng teng like ga ntla go founile ke voice ya monna la bi two ke am sad, but the voices they are not familiar ha ke di itse ya ka khone go utlwa ke ma, but nna ke busy ka yone ba ile tracer number eo.
Good. Good. Also, if there's nothing wrong, why would they want you to come? Unless there's something they know, why would they want you to get off my life if they know very much well there's nothing that they're hiding? But it's fine.
Next week, arangane dipolelo tsa gago nna ke nyaka gore nna wa tle mo a tlo lokisa dilo tlogela dilo tsa dipolelo o tlo bolela mo man nna ke nyaka gore ba lokise problem tsa tšhelete le tsa TikTok ngwana wa thoma wena dilo tsa ditshele mo wa thoma wena jwana le wena ke tshele ke tsa eng gane a ke ba tlo lokisetsa taba tšhelete tene ka mokao wa tsamaya wa dilo tsa go if o ka go ya mo ya nna ke tsene le bona motho wa magoshi
a botse ke ya re ba lo botsisa take it like a police bag. Hello.
No.
Azama krali bag. So wala tu wale ba fila hore ba le 500,000 mara singi ba busikolo ya teki.
Mama ke go te yewe bolala. Usabakani my sister. Abo ni skaterare.
Mara is unfair. In wale ba le 500,000 teki le akra kolo ya bag because we were get take kolo.
Follow us.
Follow us.
Follow us.
Follow
Follow us.
Follow us.
Us. Follow us.
Follow us.
Us. Yes. Follow us.
Follow us.
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 Follow us.
Follow us.